Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and search for the clock app. Open it. Once open the clock app, locate and click on alarm on the navigation. Then click on the plus button at top right. Now go ahead and set your alarm. So let's set this to 5 o'clock. So go ahead, set your alarm. And after that, come down to where you say repeat. If you want your alarm to repeat every day, set this to when you want the alarm to repeat. And then hit the back button. Then you should see every day. You can label your alarm as alarm. That is the name of the alarm so that I can easily remember it. And again, come to sound, click on it. Set your alarm sound. And then come here if you want to enable snooze. So I'm able to snooze the alarm each time it rings. And after that, go ahead and click on save. Then you should see your alarm saved. And that's it. So you can repeat this to create multiple alarms on your iPhone. So that is exactly how to set alarm on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.